good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is Pulse of the Infinite, from pain to purpose to progression. Ladies and gentlemen, every heartbeat carries a silent promise. It begins before thought, before language, as the first rhythm of life and the last echo left behind. Modern science reveals the heart as more than a pump. It sends more information to the brain than it receives, shaping emotion, perception, and choice. Ancient seers voiced the same truth in a different way. The heart is the bridge where matter and spirit meet. When life brings pain, those complex, unexpected, and sometimes wounding challenges that visit every soul, it can become the force that lifts consciousness toward meaning, strength, and a radiant awareness of the self's connection with the eternal intelligence of the cosmos. Physiology shows the heart's electromagnetic field extending beyond the body, a living resonance touching every cell and those nearby. Neurology maps the vagus nerve as a luminous highway carrying signals upward, weaving emotion and intellect into a single fabric. Quantum research suggests that coherence, the order arising from complexity, allows particles and possibilities to align. Across the sky, cosmobiology observes the same pattern. Stars pulse, galaxies spiral, the universe breathes in rhythm. Pain mirrors these cosmic fluctuations. It often arrives unannounced, sometimes piercing, sometimes prolonged, always demanding attention. Psychology calls it a teacher of resilience. Spiritual traditions describe it as a doorway to grace. From the Upanishads, Hridaya, the heart as the seat of pure consciousness, to Taoist harmonies and the wisdom of indigenous elders, cultures converge on a single insight. Suffering refines the soul. Such trials invite anchoring in the stillness of prayer or quiet surrender. The divine presence becomes tangible. Strength flows, purpose takes shape, and a new direction appears. Pain becomes the soil of discovery, purpose the seed, progression the flowering. In this way, adversity is not an interruption but a summons to rise with grace and resolve, holding the unseen hand that guides every step. What's the way forward? The path is not a method but a realization. Begin anywhere, at dawn or in the middle of a crowded day, by allowing the heart's quiet rhythm to be noticed. Let silence speak, even for a breath, and permit thoughts to settle as clouds passing across a vast sky. In that simple recognition, a different order reveals itself. The mind softens, the heart steadies, and the meaning of each challenge starts to shine. No fixed practice is required, only the willingness to pause, to listen inwardly, and to trust that the same intelligence that moves galaxies can also guide a single life. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the revered Bhagavad Gita offers a profound and timeless assurance. Wherever there is Lord Krishna, the master of yoga, and Arjuna, the wielder of the bow, there surely will be splendor, victory, prosperity, and unfailing righteousness. In the quiet language of the heart, Krishna is the eternal guiding intelligence, Arjuna the striving human soul. When the inner warrior joins the divine charioteer, pain is not a closing chapter. It is the opening of a deeper journey. Heart and mind align. Prayer becomes power, and the pulse of the infinite carries life toward purpose and onward to timeless progression. The universe beats within the chest, and every challenge is an invitation to rise with it. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.